Understanding hurricanes. Science versus misconception. The power of nature, not human engineering. When hurricanes devastate coastal communities, it's natural to search for explanations. Unfortunately, gaps in scientific understanding can lead some people to believe these massive storms are artificially created. The reality is far more complex and fascinating. Hurricanes are purely natural phenomena driven by well-understood atmospheric and oceanic processes. How hurricanes actually form. Hurricanes require a specific set of natural conditions that come together like pieces of a puzzle. Warm ocean water. The process begins with ocean temperatures of at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius. This warm water provides the energy that fuels the storm, much like gasoline powers an engine. As the water evaporates, it releases heat into the atmosphere. Atmospheric instability. Warm, moist air rises rapidly from the ocean surface, creating an area of low pressure below. Cooler air rushes in to fill this void, and the cycle continues, drawing more warm air upward. The Coriolis effect. Earth's rotation causes the rising air to spin. In the northern hemisphere, this spin is counterclockwise. In the southern hemisphere, it's clockwise. This rotation is essential for organizing the storm into its characteristic spiral pattern. Low wind shear. The storm needs relatively calm upper-level winds. Strong winds at different altitudes can tear a developing hurricane apart before it fully forms. Distance from the equator. Hurricanes need to form at least 5 degrees latitude away from the equator, where the Coriolis effect is strong enough to generate rotation. When these conditions align, a tropical disturbance can strengthen into a tropical depression, then a tropical storm, and finally a hurricane, releasing as much energy as a 10-megaton nuclear bomb every 20 minutes. Why the man-made theory doesn't hold up. The belief that hurricanes can be artificially created stems from several misunderstandings. Scale misconception. The sheer energy involved in a hurricane is staggering. A single hurricane releases more energy in one day than humanity generates in an entire year. No technology exists that can generate, control, or direct such massive amounts of energy. Confusion about cloud seeding. Some point to cloud seeding programs, which can slightly enhance rainfall from existing clouds. However, cloud seeding operates on a completely different scale. It's like comparing a garden sprinkler to Niagara Falls. It cannot create the organized, self-sustaining system of a hurricane. Pattern recognition gone wrong. When people lack understanding of natural weather patterns, coincidences can seem suspicious. Hurricanes follow predictable seasonal patterns based on ocean temperatures and atmospheric conditions, not hidden agendas. Historical ignorance. Hurricanes have been documented for centuries, long before modern technology existed. Indigenous peoples in the Caribbean developed sophisticated warning systems, and the word hurricane itself comes from the Taino word huracan, their god of storms. The real danger of ignorance. Believing hurricanes are man-made isn't just scientifically inaccurate, it can be dangerous. When people distrust meteorological warnings because they believe storms are artificially created, they may fail to evacuate or prepare properly. This puts lives at risk. Understanding the true science behind hurricanes helps communities prepare more effectively, respect the power of nature, and make informed decisions when storms threaten. Our ignorance of natural processes can indeed be a frightening force, not because it creates hurricanes, but because it prevents us from responding to them wisely. Moving forward, education is our best defense against both hurricanes and the misinformation surrounding them. By understanding the actual mechanisms that create these storms, we can focus our efforts where they matter, improving forecasting, strengthening infrastructure, and ensuring vulnerable communities have the resources they need to stay safe when nature unleashes its full power.